What you work out straight away with latakoo is its simplicity and its dependability. As a reporter, you have the confidence that your footage will make it anytime, any place, whatever the conditions. You can send using the camera on your phone if you're in a rush, or even if you're not.
Erosion has kind of caught up with itself rather quickly, and that's caused obviously a lot of problems in Haysborough, not least people losing their homes almost literally over the edge of the cliffs.
Select the video, select how quickly you need it to upload. On the beach here, there was only 1 bar of signal. The interview landed in the cloud in less than a minute. It gives you the time and the space to be able to think about the story rather than worry about the logistics. This was a piece about climate change, which we needed to turn around in an hour for a 5 p.m. deadline.
The east coast is particularly vulnerable. You can see just how crumbly this sandy soil is. And a week ago, this whole patch of land was connected to the cliff. Now, a lot of it's down on the beach.
Once you've finished your filming, you have the option to use latakoo in different ways. Upload all or some of your footage to the cloud, either from location or from base. To send your piece or your B-roll, it's as simple as click and drag. Press start, wait a few minutes, and Bob's your uncle. I've used latakoo for years, and it's always succeeded. It can cope with any camera format you throw at it, and any assignment, no matter the conditions.